On Saturday, areas around Mount Elgon and Bali region were devastated by floods that were triggered by heavy downpours. The death toll, according to the Uganda Red Cross Society, has risen to 24 people. More people are still unaccounted for. Property worth millions of shillings was destroyed. In the wake of the floods, the Uganda National Meteorology Authority has warned that the affected areas will continue to experience heavy rainfalls in the coming days. Abubakar Kalema, a senior meteorologist at the weather body, says that such flooding incidents will continue to hit the region because residents have destroyed almost all wetlands in the area to grow crops and to set up settlements.
This very event, it's rainfall, it depends on the intensity. What we mean by intensity is how much it rains per hour. So it was a lot of rainfall within that very region, and it was for quite a very long time, as it was from around 8 to morning the following day. It was really raining, seriously, cats and dogs. So it was as an accumulation, because it was found that the soil already had some water, all the way, like I've explained, from the month of June all the way up to around this time. So the land was found when it was already saturated.
Kalema says that for a long time they have been informing the adamant members of the public about the impending catastrophe. He says what happened in Elgon region was expected since it has been raining since June.
And when we looked at the performance of rains in June, Bujinyanya is one of our stations in the Mount Elgon, and it indicated very well that they were the second highest in terms of rainfall amount that was recorded from this station. And as we know, there are rivers that go downstream. So as you can see that since June, that has been the picture, and actually as well in July, since the July started till to around 26th, still from that area we're experiencing a lot of rainfall. And generally for Bududa areas, the mount areas, they are always at high alert whenever we forecast high rainfall amounts.
Uganda Red Cross Society spokesperson Irene Nakasita says more than 1,000 people have been displaced.
By this morning, we have 21 bodies so far retrieved in Mbale, and the 11 have been retrieved this morning. By last evening, there were only 10. Now, Kapchora still, the death toll remains at 3, so that brings us to a total population of 21 people dead. Now, here is the thing. We need to go in quickly with the response. While people are retrieving dead bodies, there are those that are displaced because they're not able to stay in their areas. So what we do, we come in and give them relief. Our truck already left Kampala, but then it will be supported by the relief that is already in Mbale at our Mbale Regional Disaster Management Center.
Nakasita says areas in Soroti, Amuri and Katako districts are all vulnerable to floods.